This is my classic shrimp fra Diavolo recipe. All right, so first things first, we're gonna start off with our Hestan pan. We're gonna add some extra virgin olive oil to this, okay? Then we're gonna add one whole onion. We're gonna add our garlic that's been thinly sliced. A nice big pinch of dried red chili. All right, so we're gonna give this a couple of minutes, kind of saute down. Now, as we start to cook this down, one of the things I really love about the Hestan cookware are the flush rivets that mount the handle to the back of the pan. The flush rivets are nice and tight, really tight up against the metal, which allows easy cleaning, and the stuff looks beautiful, fresh out of the box, and then stays beautiful for the lifetime of the pan. We don't want it brown, but we want it translucent and nice and sweet. This will take about 2 minutes. All right, so the next piece of this are gonna be our tomatoes. Okay, so we're gonna add a little bit of white wine and also a little bit of chicken stock. All right, guys, so we got some fresh basil here. We're gonna add a nice big handful. And last but not least, we're gonna throw in our beautiful shrimp, okay? And then we're just gonna poach these. Okay, so I've got one big pot of boiling water here, and we're gonna take our fresh dried pasta and throw this in. This is 6 minutes all the way done. All right, guys, we got beautiful pasta, all right, perfectly cooked. All right, I'm just gonna throw it straight in our bowl here. Okay. And then we're gonna take our beautiful poached shrimp, we're gonna lay that down first. Even application all the way across. All right, we're gonna garnish it with some fresh basil, just some loose leaves scattered on top. Then we're gonna hit it with a little more extra virgin olive oil. And then a snow shower of good Parmesan Reggiano.